students, today we are going to learn about the topic integers. So yesterday we have completed we have exercise 5.3. So today we are going to start with exercise 5.4. Now first question, simplify the following. The question is minus of minus 12. So minus signs are coming in between. So minus into minus will give me as plus and the number itself, that is 12. So minus into minus will give me as plus. So minus of minus 12 will give me as plus 12. Now moving on to second question, minus of minus 30. So minus into minus will give me as plus 30. Okay. Now moving to on the second question, simplify the following. Minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4. Now what we have to do? 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 will give me as 1. Now which is the greater number over here? That is a 4. Now 4 is connected with which sign? That is plus sign. So answer will be plus 1. Now moving on to second question. Minus 16 plus of minus 8. Now see over here two signs are there, plus and minus. So plus into minus will give me as minus. So minus 16 minus of minus 8. So 3 signs got converted into 2 signs. Now minus and minus will give me as plus. So 16 plus 8 will give me as 24 and the sign will be of minus. Okay. See over here, minus 16 plus of minus 8 plus minus minus and the sign will be of minus 8. Now minus of minus will give me as plus and the sign will be of minus sign. Now moving on to third question, 0 minus of minus 15. Now minus of minus will give me as plus 15. So 0 plus 15 will give me as 15. Okay. Now moving on to question number D, minus 6 minus 8 minus of minus 15. Now over here first two term will be written as it is minus 8. Now minus of minus will give me as plus 15. Okay. Now 4 signs got converted into 3 signs. Now we move to on the next step. Minus 6 minus 8 plus 15. Now first we will solve the first concept. So minus 6 minus 8, the sign will be of minus and we will do the total. So 6 plus 8 will give me as 14 plus 15. Now 3 signs got converted into 2 signs. Now minus plus will give me as plus minus. So 15 minus 14 will give me as 1 and the sign of the greater number, that is plus 1. Now moving on question number E, 25 minus in the big bracket is minus 13 plus 15. So we will solve the bigger bracket. So over here 25 minus, now minus 13 plus 15. So 15 minus 13 will give me as 2 and the greater sign is of plus. So plus 2. Now over here 25 plus minus plus will give me as minus. So over here as 25 minus 2 will give me as 23. Okay. So 25 minus 2 will give me as 23. Now moving on to question number 3rd. Subtract the following. 35 from minus 16. See over here it is 35 from minus 60. So minus 60 will be coming from subtract sign and 35. Okay. See over here minus 60 from it is been told. So subtract sign and then 35 will be coming. Now see over here again minus signs are there. So what we will do? We will do the addition. So it will give me as 95 and the sign of the minus. Now moving on to second question. Again over here from, so minus 60 minus of minus 60 over here minus 60. Okay. So now over here you can see two signs are being connected. multiplication sign is there, so I can write it as minus 60. Minus into minus will give me as plus 60. Now over here again two signs are there. Now 60 minus 60 will give me as 0, and 0 is not having a plus sign or a negative sign. Okay. Now moving on to question number 3. 0 from minus 60. Again over here. So minus 60 minus 0. Now 0 is not having any of the sign. So answer will be as minus 60. Okay. Now moving on to question number D. Minus 210 from 3150. So 3150 minus of minus 2010. Now again over here we have done in the question number B. Same procedure we followed over here. So 3150 plus 2010. So over here we have to do the addition. Simple addition it is. So it will give me as 5160. Okay. Now moving on to question number 5. Find the value of the following. Now this question is very important for you, so pay attention how to do it. Okay. Now over here plus and minus sign are being connected. So what I will do? Minus 475. So instead of two sign I have converted into one sign. Now again over here plus and minus. Again over here minus 475. Again over here minus 475. Same procedure over here 475, and moving on to last it is 1900. So two signs got converted into one signs. Now what you have to do in the second step? Sit properly. One as it is. Now over here, from over here till over here, the numbers are being same along with the sign. So when the numbers are being same and the signs are also same, so what you have to do? Addition. So 475 plus 475 plus 475 and 475. So over here in the rough work I am showing you 475 and 475, 20, 30, 19. Okay. So over here as 1900 and the sign will be of minus, and again over here as plus 1900. Now this minus and this plus will get cancelled over here, because if I am telling plus 1900 minus 1900 will give me as 0 itself. So 1 minus 0 will be also equal to 1. Okay. Understood over here the concept, how it was being easy to you solve the following. Okay. So 475 I added 3 times, 4 times, and I got 1900. Okay. Now moving on to question number B. 373 plus minus of 245 plus of minus of 373 plus 145 plus 3000. Now how to do it? 373 plus of minus. So I will do as 373 minus 245 plus minus again minus 373 plus 145 plus 3000. Now moving on over here, plus minus again minus, so 373 minus of 245 will give me as over here 13, over here as 6, so over here is 8, 2, 1. Okay, so 128 minus 373 plus 145 plus 3000. Now over here again minus we have to do. So now see over here 373 minus 128. So over here is 13, over here is 6. So over here is 5, over here is 4, and over here is 2. So I will get as 245. But 373 is the greater number which is having the minus sign. So over here is minus 245 plus 145 plus 3000. Now again over here minus 245 plus 145. So we have to again do the subtraction. So 245 minus 145 will give me as minus 100. Okay, plus 3000. So minus 100 plus 3000 will give me as 2900. Will give me a positive because 3000 is having a greater sign, that is of plus sign. Okay. Now moving on to question number 6. Sum of the two integers is minus 437. Sum is 437. The sum of the two integers is 437. If one of the number is 350, one of the number is 350 and it is being told sum of the two number is minus 437. So find the other number. So I am not having the other number, so I have kept as x over here. Now I want to get the value of x or the other number. So what I will do? I will put the x over here, minus 437. Now this 350 was plus over here on the left hand side. When I am moving on to right hand side, it will get as minus, as I have changed the sides. So now over here minus, again minus over here. So what we have to do? Addition. So over here 7, 8 and over here 7 and the sign of the minus. So the other number is 780 minus 787. Okay, understood over here? So the entire topic got over here. Okay, thank you.